had a few people ask me over the past week really about the differences between the apps for Canva, both on Android phones and iPhones, and also on the iPad. I don't actually have an iPhone, but I've got my Android phone here, so I'm just going to do a very quick little video just showing you the features actually on this, and then I will show you on the iPad, and then I'll be doing a full video on the desktop version. I haven't got a Mac, so I can't comment on that. But this is on the Android app. I've got my iPad set up to film, and it's propped up on a kitchen roll on my craft room table, so apologise, I will have to keep moving my phone just to make sure you can see my finger and what's on the screen. So this is basically just I've just gone into the Canva app and just put a blank canvas on there. And as you say, it says tap something to start editing. Nothing on there at the moment. So you go down to the bottom right and just click on the little plus, and then you've got various options, all the usuals: text, image, which will, as you can see, shows my photos at the bottom. Come back out of video, obviously. Sticker, you got sticker and illustration. I am going to have to look and see what the actual difference is. I went into sticker first, for instance, and it brings up lots of different options. It's more the sort of stickers that you use on your phone, I suppose. That's the difference between that and this. But as you can see, there's lots of different options, and a lot of them are moving ones, which are good. I mean, for instance, the scrapbooking page I did earlier, I put C, I was doing it on my desktop, and I put C into the search for in Elements, and it brought up loads. But this, under sticker, that's all it brings up. So perhaps it is sort of moving ones. So let's come out of that and go back into illustration. Again, loads. And you've got shapes, so if you want to do a square, rectangle, triangle, whatever, so I'll click on that. As you can see, lots of different shapes basically, and you can just edit them. Let's come back out of that, go back in. So then you've got actual illustration. Again, if I type C in on that search, as you can see, it brings loads up, and you might recognise some of the ones I used this morning, like those stars there, etc. I mean, some of these are amazing. I mean, on the desktop, I don't know if there's actually more choice on the desktop, but I mean, there are literally hundreds. And some of them are stunning. You could use them as card toppers and things. But I mean, to use in your logo, or for instance, I mean, some of these ones here are amazing. And you've got sort of backgrounds. This little gold crown basically means it's a pro image. So you do need to be on Canva Pro. So either on one of the free trials, which you can get via my blog. Those are the seaweed fronds I use, by the way. Or obviously you pay, I think it's $10.99 a month at the moment in the UK. Not sure what that is in dollars or euros. But you do get access to a lot more. Again, it does explain on my blog, on my website, alleyway.com, but I will be doing a video just to explain the difference. I think it's worth it. I did a free trial probably about 5 years ago, and I've been a pro member ever since. I use it every day for everything, so yeah, it's worth it for me. But I will go onto the desktop and show you the difference. I can't see too many on here that are actually for the free members, but on the desktop there is a lot more choice anyway, so it's not so bad. But go back out of that. Let's go back into illustration again, and you got frames. So you can do loads of different frames. And look at these lovely shapes and things. So you can put your photos into these, and there, and there's all different templates. So there you can put several photos in. So there's just so much choice, and even the letters. So for scrapbooking, I mean, I don't know why more people don't recommend it, but it is absolutely fantastic. You've got all the numbers as well. So for a scrapbooking page or for a birthday card, you know, you want to do a particular age, that would be fantastic. So, and then you've got line as well, which is, as you can see, loads of lines. And you would literally just click on them and then it will go onto the screen. I'll do that in a second actually. We'll just carry on going through these, and then you have got all the templates, which as you can see, loads. And you just click on, go in, and then you can just, let's put that one in, there's got a nice flower on it. And then it's actually bringing up more options. So just click on it, brings it onto the screen, and then you could just change it. Just click on that, and you can change the wording, and you could change the colour of, let's go on to this, and you know, you've got the transparency you can adjust, see. So, as I say, for scrapbooking, it's absolutely brilliant. I do need to investigate more. I've never really used the phone app before, so I'm sort of learning as I go along here. And then, of course, you can go in and add other stuff on. So let's go back into illustration. Type leaves. Oops. And there you go. Loads and loads and loads of leaves. That's quite nice. So you can go down. You can resize it. You can turn it round. So as you can see, you can just have a real good play. So if you haven't got the Canva app on your phone, I would recommend getting it and then just have a play, you know, while you're waiting. Normally, if you, so not at the moment, but normally if you're sitting in the doctor's waiting room and waiting for your kids after school or something, or just in the evening, and you can just have a play around, and obviously you can put your photos in. But yeah, there's so much to do, and then it's all the usual functions along the top. But I will leave that for now, and I will do a little video for the iPad just to show the difference on there.